Oh, hi. Did you need to use the washroom? Come on in. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you are new here, my name is Kevin. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There's going to be lots of videos made weekly just for you. In this video, I want to show you guys how to wash your gold jewelry at home. You don't need to bring it to a professional jewelry store to clean it. You can do it yourself. All you would need is some Dawn dish detergent. That's what I use. Works really good. And microfiber cloth. You want to close the sink. You can also use a bucket. Use some warm water. You don't need too much water, just a little bit. And now I'm going to squirt some dish detergent. Oops. Now, you put your jewelry in. I borrowed my friend's jewelry for this demo today. Now you want to use your microfiber cloth and just start scrubbing. Just go back and forth. This works really well at getting off dead skin cells and oils, dirt, all that nasty stuff. As you can see, it's already getting, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but I can see already getting cleaner. And the water's just a little dirty. What you don't want to do is get your necklace or any jewelry and scrub it like this. That will wreck the surface of it. You'll scratch the surface of your jewelry. You don't want that. So like so. It's easier with shorter pieces of jewelry or small ones. Pull this across the cloth lightly. You don't need a lot of pressure. Dawn soap works really well. So be gentle. Have you seen those Dawn commercials? You can use Dawn to wash ducks. So if you can wash ducks, you can wash your jewelry. Look at it. I can already see the difference. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but it looks like it's brand new again. Okay. Now I finished scrubbing. Now I can rinse the soap away. Okay, I rinsed it all thoroughly and it's dish soap free. Look at it, it's so clean. Nice bright gold color. I hope you guys can see the difference. It does look a lot cleaner. And that's how you wash your gold jewelry at home. Hope you guys like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Peace out until next time.